2023 Supra GR. That's what it sounds like before. Sound decibels? Right at 90. Again? 21 Toyota Supra. A really beautiful car. Got factory converter up there. It has a secondary cat. That's the front of it. I don't know if you guys can see inside of it, but it only is this much of it is catalytic converter. And then it's got a resonator on it built into the catalytic converter. A lot of these new dealerships are doing these dealer manufacturers. I don't know why, but that's how they're doing it. So it's got a resonator and cat in one, as you guys can see. Part cat, part resonator. So we took it off, did custom piping, bent it short, ovaled it, and put a high flow cat on it right there. 3-inch in, 3-inch out, and then continued the 3-inch to the factory. And then there was a muffler delete somebody else did. We didn't do it there, as you guys can see. They pieced it together and they put some blue flame tips out the back on each side, there and there. So we're gonna let you guys hear it. We'll let you hear it before what it sounded like. We will let you guys hear it after. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And it is a Supra GR. It's a lot louder. Go ahead. What was the decibels before? Did you see?
What was the decibels?
Yeah, you didn't know.
What are they right now?
Again? Get it to 5,000. Again? Yeah, it was at he said it was at 100 before, so it's 105 now.
Okay.
Because he was recording it.
It was at 100?
Yeah. So it's 5 more. When it's under load, it'll be even louder.
It's got some tone to it.
Yeah. Go ahead and back it out. Go ahead. Again. Yeah, it is a different tone. Again, he's got a marble finally.
Those knobs are a lot louder.
Good. '21 Supra. Nice. We got a special one in today. It's a good friend of mine. His name is Assad. He owns International Motors here in Nashville, Tennessee. It's a 2020 Supra. Really beautiful car. It's only got 14,000 miles. So it's got a full Tommy 3-inch exhaust system, as you guys can see, and it's got a cat delete, so you guys gonna have to put a cat back on it if you have emissions. We didn't do this system, it came with it, as you guys can see, all the way back. I'll get you guys the link for the system. 3-inch system all the way back, and this is the Tommy Extreme TI kit, single outlet right there. It's got a tune on it, it's got a bunch of other things on it. It's a really beautiful car. A lot of aftermarket stuff has been done to this car. It's only got 14,000 miles, right? Yeah, 14,000 miles on this beautiful car. And he's got a lot of other exotics, so check out his website. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell us what you guys think about this idea of getting more exotic cars in for you guys. Let it idle for a second. Give it gas. it's a beast. He doesn't, I don't know what the tune is on it and everything, but it doesn't sound like your average Supra. Again, there's sound decibels. Right at 120. Just a sick car, man. If you guys are interested, hit him up. Okay? Power, man. Wow. Again? It's got carbon fiber accents here. Here it is. It's got the front lip. Here it is. One more. Toyota Supra. Speed, beast mode. All right, guys, 2023 Toyota Supra. Look at this sexy beast. Finished off in nice black. Let me show you what we got done on it. It's got a full AWE track system or touring system. So the cat is up there somewhere. Then it's a bolt-on cat back. From there back, wise out to dual. Out the back, 3-inch all the way back with 180 technology by AWE on each side, there and there. And then it has a valve delete kit that we just shove in there, okay? We shoved it in there on each side, took the bolts off and put it in there. Because these Toyotas come with a valve system. There it is, and then some fat 5-inch black chrome tips to finish it off. Right there and right there. Came out really sexy, really clean. Look at that. And this is the factory system. So there's the pipe, resonator, 2 intermediate pipes, and muffler. And the valve goes on this side. So you just delete the valve. It comes with a special piece, the AW cells, and it gives it the right compression for it not to throw a check engine light. And it is 50 state legal per what the website says. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. We're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. 2023 Supra. Right at 88. Then when it revs down, right at 2. Go ahead. It's clean. Not bad at all. Your sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 109. No rasp whatsoever. That's awesome. Got him back it up. Wow, it's quiet and idle. Look at that. How quiet it is. Wow. That's insane how quiet it is. What you guys hear on the inside? Toyota Supra. Look at this sexy beast. He's a zombie. Very sexy looking car. Toyota Supra GR. So he brought it in. It's a good friend of ours. It's got factory converter up there. And then we took everything off. So we should let you guys hear before. There's the whole system we took off there, as you guys can see. And we ran Borla Attack system, 3-inch cat back all the way back. Right there. There's a Borla's version of the resonator right there. It's like a 4-pipe system. So they call this is Borla's version of resonator. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. So this is a miniature version of it. Right there. So that's what it looks like inside, guys. If you ever wondered what the Borla resonators look like, that's what they look like. A lot of design goes into these. But this one has a bigger one because it's a 3-inch in and 3-inch out. It's really cool looking. It's supposed to cut on drone a lot. So, and then 3-inch, and then it wides out. They reuse the existing valve on this side that comes from Toyota there. And then there's the Borla Attack on this side with the muffler. And there's the tips, carbon fiber, cool looking tips there. There, just fits the car really nicely. It's a really clean system, as you guys can see. Really beautiful. Check it out. And then there's the stock resonator, stock mid pipe, and stock tailpipes, or mid pipes, I mean. There's the stock muffler there. It's a giant system, all 2.5, but it's all like bent and creased and all that. So Borla eliminates all that, cleans it up for them. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. All right, guys, here's the part number on it, right there. The installation guide, all that good stuff right there. And Jared in the background, one in the booklet. Okay. Okay, guys, right now the valve is closed. See it in there? There's the valve closed, valve open. So let's see if it opens. No, it's still closed. I think you have to put it in track mode, or it has Sport Plus, right?
I might need to push the sport button once and then hit it again.
Push the sport button once. Hit the RPM high. Let's see if it opens. Nice idle. That's with the valve closed, guys. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. We'll mess with it in a second. Again. It's right at 99 with the valve closed. Let's see if we can get it to. So now the valve is open. Go ahead. Wow, dude, I felt that. Again. Oh yeah. Here's sound decibels with the valve open. I hit 112 earlier, so not bad at all. Again. Here's the other side. Go ahead. Still got a nice marble to it. It's not bad. Again. All right. Go ahead and back. A really nice car. Supra. Xenons. Can't stand behind it. It keeps stopping from. We'll just do it from the front. Rev it. Such a nice marble. They really stepped up their game on the lines with Toyota, you notice?
Yeah.
And all this smoke you guys see, that's just from the Borla manufacturing. It takes about 30 minutes and it'll go away. One more. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Toyota Supra and a Nissan. Oh yeah, that thing fly! Wow, beast mode out of a Supra. Enjoy, guys.